Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make Mama Shrimp Tom Yum Noodles. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including fresh shrimp, Mama instant noodles, and essential Tom Yum seasonings. This guide will walk you through each step, making it easy to create a flavorful and aromatic dish in your own kitchen. Get ready for a delightful culinary experience. Let's get our ingredients prepped. You'll want to peel and devine your shrimp, setting them aside. Next, slice your mushrooms and finely chop some fresh cilantro and green onions. Have your lime juice, fish sauce, and chili paste measured out. Finally, bring a pot of water to a boil, which we'll use for both the noodles and the flavorful broth. Now for the cooking. First, cook your Mama instant noodles in boiling water for about 2 minutes, then drain them. In a separate pot, bring water to a boil and add your shrimp, cooking until they turn pink. Stir in the Tom Yum paste, fish sauce, and lime juice to create that signature tangy and spicy broth. This step brings all the flavors together beautifully. To finish, place your cooked noodles into a serving bowl. Carefully pour the hot, aromatic Tom Yum broth, complete with the shrimp and mushrooms, over the noodles. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and chopped green onions. For an extra zing, add a final squeeze of fresh lime juice. Serve your delicious Mama Shrimp Tom Yum Noodles immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.